It's that time of the year again. Airfilter to our Tesla. So let's see how this goes for the third time. Yeah, the main issue is when you're removing, there's a screw here and there is this plastic knob here somewhere there, and you have to have the tool to remove it. So just tap that away. So it looks like that, and you need to just pull it out. It's fairly simple. Next part is then to remove the T20 from underneath here. Fairly simple. Then the next part is quite simple, straightforward. Just pull here like that, and then the whole thing comes down. Okay, you can remove these two. I think it's only you need to remove the light, but the speaker can be there in place still. So now this is now away, more or less the light, and you can get more space here. And now next part is to remove the carpet. And you just take up here, just pull down. Like that. Oh shit, my eyes. And now there's a way. Just store that somewhere. And the air filter is actually here, and you need to remove. Oh, sorry, the air filter is here. So it is this little bit screw that is a little bit annoying to remove from up there. It's high about there. There you can see. So now just close the air conditioning. Now just pull this out. And you can see if there is any. These are actually quite clean. This is the new one. This is the old one. It's a little bit. Oh, sorry. Let's turn it around to the proper side. So now you can see this is the clean one, and this is 1 year. So I believe yearly is a good approach. And like with twin babies, there's a second. You just pull it up and pull it out. So it's very simple. And that's even more full of all kinds of debris and shit. But there was no smell or nothing else in the car, so. But this is good maintenance once a year, 50 euros. There's ways to clean that area. It's a little bit difficult. We can vacuum it, or there is some material you can spray in, but I don't have those this time, so let's figure out that next year. So now just put that in and make sure it drops. It drops quite easy. And then the next one, and here you have to remember to pull down that tag. Let's see. Yeah, I got it. No. And there it goes. And you lift it up and you pull that one down. The next thing is put the lid on, and it should go first down, secure that, and then pull it up, and then just put the screw on. And now you just press in those clips again, and then put in the screw, and then it's finished almost. And then just gently screw that back, and then put the carpet back. You can do it vice versa, doesn't matter, I hope. But check that the clips are going into the right places, otherwise it doesn't fit properly and can break something, so be careful. So it goes in quite away the carpet. Okay. Now we're good.